Harvest Right freeze dryer is completed. The front screen says just that, Harvest Right complete. Just flip the button to the center, it's a rocker button. The other side and shut that and release the water. Open the handle as soon as the pressure goes away. There we go. This pad off the front. You can see I have sour tart cherries cut in half. They're like little round red styrofoam balls. Powder, like everything does when it's freeze dried. 2 trays of those. A tray of mixed fruit, mango, pineapple, and papaya. I'm not quite sure that that's done though. Feels a little tacky. I think that needs to go in there for a little longer. Put some strawberries at the other end. And then this tray is all strawberries. So what I'll do is turn the unit to a 0 freeze time with this top knob, and then the lower one I'll change the dry time to probably an hour to finish drying the mixed fruit. There you go.